I want to talk to you about the best Novo Bank alternatives this year. Okay, and let me first start with the top banks, and then I'll give you some ideas about the best strategy for you to find a good business bank for your checking or savings account, or even for your merchant account services. Okay, so here are the top banks I want you to pay attention to. If you think about a good Novo Bank substitute, think about North One. And North One has actually been in existence for a few years now. What I love about North One is that they are very innovative. They are constantly adding new features. Okay, so this is a fintech. Okay, this is a fintech. So this is not your traditional bank. So if you go with North One, you have to be ready to actually do to digitize your checking and savings, your business checking and savings. Okay, so you don't have to go. You don't have a branch to go to because North One doesn't have one. Okay, and you can't really talk to someone face to face. You have to speak to someone over the phone. So if you are comfortable with that setting, this is kind of cool to actually go with North One. By the way, the digital aspect of things is not just for North One, but it's for all the account that I'll be talking about in today's conversation. Whether it is BREX, Mercury, Lily, Grasshopper, or BlueVine, those are all primarily digital banks. Okay, and so if you think about North One, you have an institution that prioritizes strong client relationships, offers personalized financial guidance, and dedicated account managers. So the cool thing about North One is that you're constantly you have somebody actually looking over your account all the time. The company also equips its customers with tools to streamline operations like time and money saving integrations that automate manual workflow and budgeting features like envelopes. Okay, so this tailored approach goes beyond basic business checking and savings services to being truly a partner, like a business partner. What I love about North One is that they also offer flexible lines of credit and business term loans of up to $250,000. Okay, so this is really good from a flexibility point of view. You will love what North One has to offer. So you have personalized financial guidance, and dedicated account managers, access to lines of credit and other financing for high growth startups, and you do have seamless integrations with industry leading bookkeeping software. If you're thinking about a great Novo Bank alternative, I want you to think about BREX. Okay, I mean BREX actually is pretty known for their credit cards, but also this is actually a great institution to count on if you want to think about business banking, but business banking in a digital form, in a digital realm. Okay, built from the ground up for startups and scaling businesses, BREX actually offers a comprehensive financial platform that seamlessly integrates business checking, corporate cards, and expense management tools. I mean, when I started investigating BREX a few years ago, I was more intrigued by the sophistication of their expense management tools. So beyond traditional debit cards, BREX provides virtual and physical corporate cards with generous spending limits and rewards programs for high growth companies. And the platform also boasts robust equity management features, allowing startups to track and manage stock options for employees and investors. So you do have a lot of possibilities with the BREX platform. So unlike Novo, which focuses on automation for basic business banking tasks, BREX actually caters to venture-backed startups. So venture-backed startups. So at least they know that there is some money behind, right? A venture-backed startup with more sophisticated financial needs, and their integrated tools and features streamline financial management for businesses navigating rapid growth and funding rounds. So this is kind of cool because you have a specific niche here, and Brex is trying to really cater to that specific niche, and the niche that comes with venture backed financial firms. Okay, that's the so the distinguishing features. If you think about the Brex, You do have integrated business checking, corporate cards, and expense management tools. You have virtual and physical corporate cards with generous spending limits and rewards programs. And you also have a robust equity management, like a set of robust equity management features for tracking and managing stock options, especially in the long run. If you're looking for a top Novo Bank alternative, I want you to think this year about Mercury. So, Mercury actually does something great when it comes to business banking, and that's accessibility, that's accountability, that's granularity. Okay. If you think about Mercury, I want you to think primarily about startups. Mercury likes to tout itself as a platform that's built primarily for startups. Okay, they have banking built for startups. So Mercury remains a compelling alternative for your small business if it seeks a user-friendly and easy banking experience provider, if you will. The company's intuitive interface simplifies even complex financial tasks, making it a great option for business owners who may not have extensive accounting experience. So if you don't have a CPA, or if you don't have a PhD in in accounting, or you have no idea what accounting really stands for, Mercury will simplify things for you. Mercury prides itself also on transparent pricing with a flat monthly fee that covers all transactions, eliminating the confusion of hidden charges or per transaction fees. And this straightforward approach allows you as a business to forecast your banking costs very easily. And so while Novo and Mercury cater to a broad range of small businesses, Mercury shines with its user friendly interface and transparent pricing. This makes the company a strong contender for business owners prioritizing a simple, cost effective banking solution. So if this is what you're looking for this year, you might want to think deeply, because Mercury can actually give you that specific option. In terms of distinguishing features, with Mercury, you have an intuitive interface that simplifies complex financial tasks. You have transparent pricing with a flat monthly fee covering all transactions, and you have a bank that eliminates confusion of hidden charges or per transaction fees. So this is really good from a flexibility point of view. This is really fantastic. Next, you have Lily. So if you're looking for a Novo Bank alternative, I want you to think this year about Lily. So Lily is a pretty good contender when it comes to Novo Bank substitute. Okay, the cool thing about Lily is that Lily is constantly adapting its services to your business. And Lily understands your unique financial needs if you happen to be a freelancer or an independent contractor. But by the way, Lily nowadays is they have expanded their service, or their offer, if you will, their offer to small businesses too. A couple of years ago, when Lily started, they actually were focusing on freelancers. They were focusing on independent contractors. They were focusing on sole proprietors. They were focusing on single member LLCs. But they have actually expanded their offer. Okay, so this digital banking platform is built specifically for solopreneurs, but also small business owners, offering a suite of features to simplify your financial life. So Lily actually does something very wonderful. It seamlessly integrates with popular freelance platforms, allowing you to track income and expenses easily. And Lily also boasts robust tax tools and budgeting features, helping you stay organized and prepared for tax season. So whether you're filing, let's say, a 1065, an S corporation or C corporation, you will love the fact that Lily is actually got your back. Lily actually goes a step further by actually catering to the specific challenges faced by freelancers and small business owners. So that's really good. The cool thing is that with Lily, you have a set of integrated tax tools and budgeting features, okay, that really eliminate the need for additional software or manual calculations, saving you valuable time and reducing the risk of errors. And when I say integrated tax tools and budgeting features, I mean, think about having like TurboTax and QuickBooks all in one, right? So you have TurboTax features, all the questionnaire, everything, and then you have QuickBooks with all its granularity all in one. That's the kind of picture that Lily wants you to really have. If you are a freelancer or a small business owner, by the way, if you have a medium-sized company or you have a large enterprise, you will not find Lily interesting. Okay, so with Lily, you have seamless integration with freelance platforms for income and expense tracking. You have robust tax tools and budgeting features to simplify financial management. And also, here is a platform that reduces the need for additional software or manual calculations. Next, you have Grasshopper Bank. So if you're looking for a top Novo Bank alternative, think about Grasshopper Bank. And what I love about Grasshopper is that basically you have credibility. Okay, you have credibility, and you also have a bank that's actually FDIC insured. So that's really good because the Grasshopper Bank is not your fintech. Okay, your traditional fintech. This is a traditional bank that just has that just happens to have a digital orientation. So Grasshopper Bank stands out as a strong alternative for your business if it seeks a more traditional banking experience with a local touch. The bank prioritizes building partnerships with their clients, okay, offering personalized service and dedicated relationship managers. So this is really good because you have the possibility to actually grow your account. Somebody is actually looking over your account for you. So Grasshopper Bank is deeply committed to supporting its local communities, offering financial products and services tailored to the needs of small businesses in its region. So that's really good. It also actively participates in community development initiatives. So what I love about the Grasshopper Bank is that it's constantly adapting to this economy by coming up with innovative products and services. And Novo provides a convenient online banking experience, but Grasshopper Bank focuses on fostering strong in-person relationships with their clients. Their dedication to local communities and personalized approach resonates with businesses seeking a trusted financial partner invested in their success. So that's really good. And what are some of the distinguishing features here? If you think about Grasshopper, you do have a personalized service and dedicated relationship managers. You have financial products and services tailored to the needs of local small businesses. And here is a bank that participates in initiatives that support the growth and success of local businesses. Next, you have BlueVine. So if you think about a top Novo Bank alternative, BlueVine is actually going to help you big time, especially when it comes to scalability, but also efficiency. Okay, so BlueVine actually caters to small businesses with ambitious growth plans, offering a comprehensive digital banking platform that goes beyond traditional checking accounts. So this is kind of cool because BlueVine actually is known in the industry for, I mean, was known for its business line of credit product. But since then, I mean, for the last 15 years, they've actually expanded their products and services big time. Okay, so in addition to business checking and bill pay features, BlueVine provides access to working capital financing and lines of credit. So I just said that, and this allows your business to access the funds to invest in inventory, hire new employees, or pursue actually growth opportunities. What you will love with BlueVine is that the company is constantly growing. Okay, again, BlueVine is not a fintech. I mean, sorry, BlueVine is not a traditional bank. BlueVine is a fintech, and it is able to offer traditional banking products through its partnerships with FDIC insured banks. Okay, so while Novo offers the basic banking features, BlueVine focuses on empowering businesses to secure the funding they need to scale. And their access to working capital financing and lines of credit makes them a strong contender for businesses actively seeking to expand their operations. So that's really good. So with BlueVine, the cool thing is that you have access to working capital financing and lines of credit for growth opportunities. Business checking and bill pay features actually allow you to streamline financial management, and also BlueVine empowers your business to secure the funding it needs to scale its operations. So that this is really good. So I just shared with you the top six Novo Bank alternatives. Let me quickly now give you some strategy here. So how do you choose the best Novo Bank alternative? What should you be looking for? You have to understand with its diverse range of options available. Basically, selecting the best Novo alternative depends on your your business banking needs, your financial goals, your vision, right? So you also want to pay attention to the terms and conditions of the institution. Some institutions are more flexible than others. First, you want to consider factors like your business's size and stage. Startups with ambitious growth plans might prioritize access to funding options like venture debt or credit lines offered by, let's say, a BlueVine, for instance. On the other hand, freelancers might greatly benefit from Lily's integrated tax tools and expense tracking features. So you have to evaluate your comfort level with technology too. So if you value, let's say, a user-friendly interface and transparent pricing, Mercury might be the ideal fit for you. Okay, so ultimately, the best Novo Bank alternative is the one that actually seamlessly integrates with your workflows, offers features that address your specific challenges, and fosters a banking relationship that aligns with your growth trajectory. Okay, so if you think about that, just remember that Novo Bank is actually pretty interesting in some aspects, but the bank actually can actually be better. Okay, and this is why you might be thinking about an alternative, because while Novo is a popular option for digital banking, what's right for one small business owner might not be right for others, right? So with a growing range of digital banking options, it's important to always explore Novo Bank alternatives to actually find what's best for you. Okay, especially when it comes to scalability, when it comes to integration, when it comes to efficiency. Okay, I mean Novo excels in automation and integrations. Don't get me wrong, but there are others to actually there are other institutions that provide also better, if not same level same level of quality when it comes to services. So, in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about the top six best Novo Bank alternatives. I give you the top banks: North One, BREX, Mercury, Lily, Grasshopper, and BlueVine. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.